So arrays in C# are basically statically sized lists that store references to values of a given type it is assigned. To declare an array in code, you would enter in the type you want an array of. Right after that, you would enter in 2 square brackets. Lastly, you can end it off with a semicolon to have the array variable be null, or you can set it equal to be a new instance of the array. First, you would enter in the type followed by the square brackets again, but this time you would enter in an integer in between the square brackets. This integer will represent the one and only length the array will assume as long as it is allocated in memory. With that number entered, you would finally end the line with a semicolon. So that is how the array is declared. Now let's go over how you would get and set values in the array. Now in order to get or set a value within an array, you would need to enter in the variable name of your array, followed by 2 square brackets. And inside the square brackets, you would enter in an integer. This integer represents the position of an element in an array. For determining the position of the element you want, the first element will assume the index of 0, and as you go down the array of elements, the index you will use will increase by 1 until it reaches the last element index, which is the array length subtracted by 1. Now with the chunk of code that indexes an element in the array, you can store the value you get in a variable like so, or you can set the element at the given index like so. So that is really it when it comes to arrays. They are functionally simple, but are capable of being the foundation of dozens upon dozens of algorithms. In the next video, I'll go over loops in C#, so if you're looking forward to it, like, subscribe, and I hope to see you all in the next video.